Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Hey, today is Veterans Day, and because we had a day off, and shout outs to everybody that's a veteran, we appreciate your service. Yeah, on our way to check out a quick trail, a couple hours, and Pablo's here, Fernando's here, and yeah, let's go. What is it? Puros solos, or ¿cómo se llamaba? What's the sticker on there?
Solo pero pocos pero locos.
Pocos pero locos, right?
You're stupid.
Solo vests.
Oh yeah.
Solo chalecos.
Dude, chalecos sin fronteras.
Bro, you probably, that's how you came up with it, right? Make a left.
Yeah, make a left and then make a right and then... Bro, the game is so strong on the vest. I even bought one for my dog, bro.
Dude,
so
it's because the vest is the best. And, of course, nobody says that you can't vest in the West.com.
Exactly, yeah. I agree with you. If you're not rocking the vest,
well,
bro,
you can't fight the vest, dude.
What? Hey,
no,
Paul Bunyan had a vest. Chuck Norris had a vest.
yeah, but they used it for a purpose.
Bruce Lee had a vest.
I know.
They used to chop wood.
Dude, the vest is...
You don't even do laundry. No less of chopping wood.
All right, fine, you got me there. Don't do laundry.
The vest
hey, but I'll buff some fucking windows, cabrón.
Look at this kid. What is it? He has a preservative on.
Preservative?
What is
Life
it?
preserver.
Life preserver.
Life preserver.
Life preservative, life preserver.
Yeah, you're so close. It was so close.
The persims.
He had some persimmons.
Swansons.
Samsonite, dude.
Yeah, I was way off. So this trail is it's kind of easy, dude. I mean, yeah, you have some off-road like hills. We tried to go up one yesterday and we couldn't because it was just loose.
It looked super loose.
Yeah, it was really loose. We made it halfway, and then just from there we just had to go.
That's why I saw that hill.
Back.
I saw that hill.
We had to go back. So on the way back, there was like a little dip, and that thing went like, it hit a three-wheel motion, dude, on reverse, dude. We were like inverted for a little bit.
When you dip, I dip, we dip. Or what?
Oh, with the vest on.
Which car?
So we're good.
Which car were you in?
The Range Rover Defender.
Yeah, Land Rover Defender's dope.
2014 diesel.
It's dope.
Is there even diesel out here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah. It was dope. And we're also a G63.
How did that do?
Dude, like nothing, dude. I mean, if you're like locked up completely, you can go over fucking anything.
Well, we're gonna be locked up completely,
Yeah.
so we're good.
Yeah, the only problem with that one, it's not lifted or anything, so I mean, you still have to be careful.
I was looking at that exhaust. It's really close to that rear.
Yeah, well, it's actually comes out of the middle, dude. But stock, I didn't know that stock actually has a full-on fucking skid plate, dude. Like all underneath.
When a car is built like for a purpose, it has that. Like this one, it has that too.
Well, I would hope so. If being a G63,
right, 160,000.
yeah, I mean,
But the G62 doesn't have it. So.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Minus one number.
But if you here, make it right here. But if you wear a vest, then you're good.
Then it makes up.
Yeah, you're still the best.
When you wear a vest, you got automatic lit diff locks.
All right.
You know, you got traction control. You got automatic height adjustment.
You got everything.
You have fully independent air link suspension.
Right, yeah.
Independence.
That's it, dude. Independence. You hear it all.
I just want to make it clear that Fernando and I started the whole vest game right now.
Oh, dude.
Just in case people start catching up in the next couple of months.
Dude, the vest game is strong.
We started it first.
You can't fight the vest.
Here in Southern California, San Diego, Chula Vista.
When you see a vest, it's these guys right here.
Yeah,
That's two.
for sure.
Yeah, like that guy?
Not
He'll need a vest later.
Yeah, see, he has a wife beater, so he'll probably make the trend.
Actually, that's the shirt vest.
That's what Memo wears, dude.
He's got a shirt vest.
That's what Memo wears.
I don't even wear that, bro.
Yeah, you do, bro. Back in the days when I was
I'm not a kid.
Bro,
you did, bro.
And we're gonna get copyrighted if you guys keep singing that song.
Dude,
Shit.
downer coming up.
I know.
Okay, we'll just switch up the words a little bit.
There we go.
Flows.
All right, so what's the deal here, buddy?
We're gonna go to the OTAY Mountain Truck Trail over here by OTAY Lakes Road. I've never been there, but the vest and the best in the back seat has, so he's gonna kind of guide us through it. We'll check it out. We'll see if we can get some dirt on this rig. So it should be fun.
I got side impact bag.
Yeah, we're good. Just I hope Fernando doesn't like all of a sudden, dude. Fucking.
Ah.
Let's see, wait.
Yeah, totally good.
How is it? Oh, do that. Yeah, you need some, for sure, some all-terrains.
Yeah, he needs thicker tires.
I got all-terrain.
No.
Like the Falcon all-terrain.
Yeah, some real all-terrains. Those are like street all-terrains.
All-terrains nonetheless.
Well, what would you stay to the left?
On the way down, we were on the right, but we did. We just hit that shit straight. Boom.
You didn't bottom out?
No.
You got no.
No, nada. It's
You didn't hit?
because with the diesel, dude, you got so much fucking torque, dude. And you just ride it on first gear, dude.
Yeah, that's.
I got the power. No. Did you guys go up the left side?
No, on the way down, we came through that side.
The problem I see right now is that they're not knobby enough to hold on to it.
This is the one we were going down on.
Dude, yeah, that.
So that's where that little bump is. Use that line, dude. Yeah.
Yeah, stay to the right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks gnarly.
And we slid, bro. We were sliding.
That's what I'm saying. He won't. His tires are not ready for it.
No.
What are you doing?
I wouldn't even fucking.
Up it. Yeah, coming down, you're gonna slide.
Yeah.
No.
Watch out, dude.
You don't want to end up like this guy.
Ah.
All right, so just pulled over on the side of the road. This is a truck trail.
That's the rock right there. And
you don't got all-terrains, bro. That's why.
I'm just testing the terrain.
I'm surprised you didn't bring sandals, bro.
The good thing is I have cat-like reflexes. And we're good. Cut.
Oh, I shouldn't be laughing because I'll probably end up sliding myself. Thanks for tuning in.
Once we dropped here on this one in reverse, that's when we went inverted, dude. So,
dude, hell yeah.
So the third wheel was straight up in the fucking air, dude, completely inverted, bro.
You almost have to commit. You can't come back down.
No, well, it's because we couldn't, dude. It was done.
That's.
So we had to ride it all the way. It was good. It was just this one, and we were just like, oh, I felt it, dude. The tire just went. Ah.
Yeah, that's like a 40-volt.
Yeah, bro. I think we should scope it.
Yeah, let's scope it out, bro. I like the enthusiasm, bro. I like it.
Do you? Okay, good. Because that's what I was trying to get.
What'd you turn off?
Because we're going to check it up and check it out, huh?
Oh, okay. All of a sudden, you guys Cheeto Puffs strong. It ends right here.
So we're gonna have to ride it in reverse?
Yeah, it stops right here. So can't go up this one. So you guys know, I'll show you guys the tires on the LR3.
One day trip, dude.
So right now he's running the big old tires, AES's. So not too much. I can't even think.
It's not as knobby as you want it to be. Don't be knobby.
Yeah, it's not as knobby as an all-terrain like BFG, Toyo.
It is an all-terrain, so I think we're good.
Turn your face and we're the best.
Does it say an A and a T in there?
No, it says an A and an S.
I think it has an A and a T.
S.
I think A and a T.
S. S. You just keep saying T because it makes you feel better.
Oh no, because I was reading right here where it says
all season, cabrón. All season. Told you.
No, yeah, it's a yeah. So
this guy's trying to keep saying this whole time. Last time we went camping, he's an all-terrain. I'm like, bro, that's not an all-terrain. I could tell, like, you could tell.
But this is good because it covers all the.
You could tell it covers all season.
All the seasons. Look, there's a mountain on it.
All season.
On a mountain, so it's good.
So you know you're good because it is mud and snow.
Oh, there you go.
But it's an all season.
Yeah, A and an S.
This is not. Yeah.
This is a season.
I'm just gonna watch you reverse. I'm gonna watch this guy reverse it because all seasons. Bro, that's because they're all seasons.
It's not all, hey dude, it's not all season, it's all slipping, dude.
This guy kept saying they're all terrains. I'm like, bro.
There's an A.
I didn't even know. I didn't even know Big O made tires.
No, there was big old jerky.
Big old tires.
Big old chew gum out on.
Big old slippery.
Bro, I think we should do, we should, like, next month, you guys want to do Laguna? Canson?
Yeah, we can do it. Where is it?
In by Tecate, dude.
Let's do it.
It's dope, and they have like a pretty cool camping area. So I think we should hit that up, dude.
What, to do like a night, like a 1 day trip? Or
yeah,
what?
we can do a one straight trip. Yeah. So we'll leave, we could leave Saturday and come back on Sunday.
That'll be dope.
So we won't have to buy that much shit, dude.
Yeah, we really don't need a ton of stuff.
Groove on.
We could give it a shot. You know, I can have a latte, an espresso cup. I wouldn't even move.
Remember this when shit is not going right and his face is up.
Hey, if something happens,
It's not your fault.
oh, there you go.
No, you're good. No,
He's like, you're good.
No, you're good, dude. Right?
Sure, I'm not even locked in. I'm still on two-wheel drive right now.
He's gonna stay on the trail.
Bro, it don't matter if you're fucking everything's locked up. You still, yeah, I'll see.
Yeah, I locked the doors.
Yeah, I'll see.
Do we end up by Del Zura? Del Zura?
No, that's on that side. That's after Del Zura's after Hamo.
It's crazy, huh?
That looks really nice.
What town do you think that is right there?
Santa Poco.
It could be something.
Well, what's neat is that we're literally maybe 30 minutes max from downtown San Diego. So that's what's neat about living in San Diego is that we're so close to everything.
You can rock all seasons.
Make sure to get the right tires for your rigs.
Big flips.
No matter the season, make sure you have the one that's all season. Because if you get the one that's partial season.
This guy's sponsored by Big O Tires.
Big flip. What a season? Season. Oh, yeah.
You have to.
I did like the enthusiasm, like, yeah, I got this. You know, like, there's your Christmas tree.
That's it.
All right, so we found this pretty decent little trail right here. Nothing too crazy. Again, he's on all season tires, not all terrains. So we want to make sure, first and foremost, safety. Once he does upgrade to all terrains, then this should be no problem at all. But man, the great views, the lake, sorry, not the ocean.
And then just direct me if I gotta go driver or passenger.
All right. You're gonna go driver. I'm not sure if it ends over there.
Let's just back it up, dude, and we'll scope it out.
Yeah, you want to post up for a minute?
Yeah.
Huh?
We gotta pick up trash.
Oh, you're good, man.
I'm good, I got you. Stick to the passenger side. Unless you want to show your suspension. You're almost put it in low gear as well to kind of.
We're on the
Cool.
Ya no quiero, okay.
Oh, dropping in the high. Like I say, I'm enjoying the seasons. Beautiful.
That wasn't bad, right?
No, that was pretty good as well. I mean, next time with more time, since the sun's going to be setting here soon.
Yeah.
If we can take it further down, that'd be dope.
Well, next time we'll make sure we put the GPS through here. So
Yeah,
that
we can do waypoints.
Yeah.
That's dope, no?
Yeah. Pon la breca, güey. Si no, we're walking.
No, we're neutral, dude. We're good.
Si no, we're walking. So right over there, you can see the fence to the Mexico border. So that's all Mexico. Where you going? So probably the border patrol uses this to kind of watch over. That's why all these roads are here. It's accessible to the mountains so that Homeland Security could overlook at the mountain. So that ends our travels for today. We were just pretty much, like I said, Veterans Day. Just wanted to go hang out, put this in the dirt, get some views, as you guys saw. The all seasons did very well.
I thought amazing. Come on. Let's give the audience the real deal.
I was slipping, dude.
I gotta say, honestly, the all seasons are.
No, honestly, you were slipping.
They're the best. I was gonna say they're the best. I mean, look at them. They're great. They're so smooth.
We're just gonna go ahead and leave that there. Thanks for tuning in. As always, make sure to hit a thumbs up and a subscribe. Hey, and share this video. See you guys later.